Hello everybody, it's Marilyn and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys the recent products that I just recently received. These are the PR package that I received from brands. So I'm putting it away and organizing it, and I decided might as well film it for you guys. So because I haven't done this in a while and some of these products are brand new, so I can also show with you guys new releases just in case you're interested on some of these products. And without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys this unboxing. So the first product that I have here is, I actually show this already. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, I already show this on my Instagram story. This is a PR package from Pixi Beauty, and they send me their Matte Last liquid lipsticks, all the shades, and I believe there's like 4 new shades that they added on this collection. So yeah, so they sent me all their matte liquid lipstick, and in here, let me see if I can pull it out. It's really, it's a really pretty PR package. And so in here, it actually comes with this kit right here. So they send us 4 different color and an empty jar, so we can create our own shade. That's really cute. So thank you so much, Pixi Beauty, for sending me this PR package. The next package is from Live Full Bit Beauty. Full Bit Beauty recently launched their new lip glosses and their new concealer. So they already sent me their lip gloss, but in this package, they send me all their new concealer so I can try it out. So thank you so much, Full Beat by Tiffany Haas, for sending me this concealer. Next package is from Clarisonic Mia Prima. So I believe this is their new cleansing face brush. So I'm really excited to try this. As you guys know, I really love facial brush. And then along with that package, they also included this ultra facial cleanser from Kiehl's. So I'm really excited to try this out, and thank you so much, Clarisonic and Kiehl's, for sending this. Next package is from Pathology, and they send me their Pathology 5-minute sheet mask. It looks like. So it's a hydrating facial masks, and they also send me their eye gel here. So thank you so much to Pathology for sending me their hydrating facial mask and their eye gel. Next package in here is this Sonic Smooth Through Dermaplaning System from Michael Todd Beauty. So I heard great things about this brand and this product, so I'm really excited to try this out. So dermaplaning is actually a method that help you exfoliate your skin and removes unwanted facial hair, which I do have, and dull dead skin cells. So I'm really excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Michael Todd for sending this to me. Next package is, this one is from Influencer, and they send me their Lancome box. It comes with 3 new products from Lancome. This is so awesome. So we have here their Ultra Real Stick Mattifying. Let's see. That's how it looks like. And I believe this is their new Ultra Wear foundation. I hope this is the right shade. Oops. And it has SPF 15 and up to 24-hour wear. Excuse my nails, I haven't done it, but yeah, let me know down below if you guys want me to do a first impression for this new foundation. They also send me their makeup setting mist. I really like their packaging. And then last, they send me their Rouge Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Rouge. Nice. Oh wow, I think this is their brand new lipstick. I saw some influencer get their pure package and it's so cool because to open it, you have to press the top and it will pop. Then you can open it like that. Ooh, that's such a pretty red. It's perfect for holiday. Thank you so much, Lancome and influencer, for sending this package. So those are the package that I received. So if you guys have any specific products that you want me to test out and do a review or a first impression, definitely comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing video. Yeah, so thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!